What's up, Masterminds? It's Zack Applewhite here, and I'm here to talk to you about a really simple, straightforward tool because everyone's been asking me for what is, I give a lot of concepts. What's a straightforward tool we can use? FABs are brilliant. I've used this in sales. I've used this in content creation. I've used this in job interviews. Okay, it is feature, advantage, benefit. And what it is it's a tool to take something and make it more sellable or easier to communicate. So let's just dig into it so that you can see it for yourself. So what's the feature, advantage, and benefit of something we're trying to sell? Let's say we're trying to sell coffee. Most people feature it's hot, okay? You say hot coffee and you stop there. Most people stop at the feature, okay? But people don't buy features. People don't buy hot. Hot doesn't do much for me. And you're making me do the work of saying, why is hot coffee good for me? Why is hot coffee better? And you want your consumers to think as little as possible. You need to tell them what the advantage and benefit is. So what's the advantage of a hot cup of coffee? Well, there's many, but one of them is it wakes you up. So now you have a more compelling sales pitch. Wake up with a hot cup of coffee. Okay, what's the advantage? What's the benefit of being awake? Okay, well, let's say that makes you more alert or a better work day. So now you have a full, compelling pitch because now you're not selling coffee, you're selling a better work day. Make your work day better by being alert, by waking up with a hot cup of coffee. Our hot cup of coffee wakes you up so that you can have a better work day. You can mix and match this any way you like. So now let's take it to the next step. Now let's take it to TTRPGs. I did this with Guilds of Aragarth, okay, as a way because we had a lot of features. When we launch our TTRPGs, we have a ton. We have maps, we have art, we have NPCs, and we have all this stuff that we put into the module that we try to be innovative, we try to do new, we try to give new spins. How do we communicate that besides just saying, well, it's got guilds? Okay, well, what's the advantage of guilds? Well, they're a new way to explore the game. You're going to be having this new element in your game, which the benefit, it breathes new life into your campaigns. This is something you haven't experienced before. So now I'm not selling guilds. I'm selling a fresh campaign. There's more advantages. It's got new role play opportunities. You've never been in a guild before. It's new circumstances. It's deeper immersion. And you can also see that you can tack these on, and there could be all kinds of advantages and benefits as you go. All right, but let's go to the next one. There's a variety of guilds. So why is a variety help me? That could be confusing. Well, it's got a lot of different angles to approach the world, and you could choose the guild that best fits your playstyle. And so now you see how I'm not just bullet pointing, oh, we got new guilds, there's a variety of them, and we got maps. Now I'm saying that breathe new life into your campaigns and explore the game in a new way with our new guilds material. Have deeper immersion and new roleplay opportunities with our new guilds material. Choose the guild that best fits your style and take different angles and approaches to the world because we got a variety of guilds. One last one. Let's talk about maps. Maps help you see the world through your character's eyes, which deepens immersion. You can see there's patterns here that you can make a collective claim. Why do we have deeper immersion? It's because we got the new guilds. It's because we got the maps. All right? Maps also help you keep track of your characters to avoid confusion. They help you know the landscape to accurately strategize. So you can deepen immersion and have better battle by keeping track of your characters, seeing it through your eyes with our maps. You see how you can mix and match. It's a Lego set. That's how you need to think about this. Okay, is that what you're doing is you're creating little pockets, little bags of opportunities for you to create new ways to talk about whatever it is that you're creating, whatever it is that you're trying to communicate. And so my homework for you is to pick a product, all right? Tell me the features, advantages, benefits. Personally, what I like to do is I like to have feature, all right? And then just list out the advantages, all right? List those out and then come up with the benefits for each of those advantages. I find that's easier. I also find that I mix and match because sometimes this advantage, oh, well, that's actually a benefit. And how does it match here? Or I'll have duplicates and I'll have to think of new ways. And it's a creative way that helps you think about your product in a way to communicate to people rather than just listing the features. And that's it for today. Y'all have a great day and stay awesome.